Anvility. We are from 7th class. Let us do an activity of litmus test for acids and bases. Required materials: soap water and lemon juice, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Take lemon juice and dip blue litmus paper in lemon juice. Observe the change. Blue litmus paper turns to red. By this activity, we can conclude that lemon juice is an acid. Acids are substances that are taste sour and turns blue litmus paper to red litmus paper. For example, lemon juice contains citric acid and curd contains lactic acid. Let us do activity for test for bases. Take soap water and red litmus paper. Dip the red litmus paper in soap water and observe the change. The red litmus paper turns into blue. By this activity, we can conclude that soap water contains base. The substances which are bitter to taste and soapy to touch and red litmus paper turns to blue are called bases. Example: soap water contains potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. Thank you.